At SV3, we delight in making every trip you undertake into an experience which lasts you a lifetime. Hence, for the next few minutes, we'll take you on a journey into the SV3 enterprise. So we advise you to fasten your seatbelts, sit back and enjoy the ride. Headquartered in Pune, SV3 is an enterprise with a difference. Our office is a two-storied state-of-the-art building equipped to handle all your travel needs. With a dedicated workforce committed to your every requirement, SV3 is your ideal partner when you want to plan a vacation. SV3 is a multifaceted agency equipped to handle all sorts of work, boasting a committed and highly trained workforce. Each employee of SV3 is a beacon on your journey across horizons. Under the able guidance of Mr. Sagar, we have come miles in a very short span of time.
Hi, I'm Sagar. Great milestone can be traveled by setting great milestone. When I envision a future for SV3, I dreamt of an organization which make every trip you undertake with us into an experience. An organization which doesn't treat our customer as a merely customer but as a special guest. With a wide array of packages, unmatched commitment, a workforce integrated with our philosophy, and a world that awaits exploring, SV3 is all set become a force to reckon in the future. In the AV that follows, we shall tell you more about SV3 experience. Remember, with SV3, travel is always memorable.
The company boasts over 30 employees, each committed to make sure you experience the sights and sounds of the world, so that we leave you with memories which last you a lifetime. Every employee has ingrained the vision of the company and is hence a torchbearer for excellence. We take every precaution to make sure customers who travel with us have the time of their lives. Our fleet consists of all kinds of vehicles, from air-conditioned cars to 42-seater buses, all equipped with the most modern facilities. Yes, these state-of-the-art buses are equipped with everything, from pushback seats to LCD screens for your entertainment. All our drivers are really experienced and committed to serve you in the best manner possible. At SV3, we understand your specific travel requirements. Hence, we have customized tours designed to meet your particular travel needs. Each tour is minutely detailed and thought out in such a manner that you will have memories to cherish forever. Whoever you may be, we guarantee we'll have a tour which interests you. In the short span of our existence, we already boast a host of satisfied customers who swear by the SV3 name.
I'm Dr. Pinivale. I had an opportunity to go for a holiday with SV3, and the arrangements that they had made were excellent. We were received once we reached Srinagar. We were taken around by very courteous people, and at no point were we given any feeling that we were outsiders or we had any kind of problem. We enjoyed the whole trip absolutely. If I were to go on a trip again, I certainly would ask SV3 to make arrangements for me because we just loved it.
Hi, I am Amit Oak. We have travelled to Simla, Kulu, Manali this summer with SV3 tours. It was a very nice, memorable family experience for us.
Hi everybody, I am Dhanashri. I am working with SV3 as a head corporate communication. I had gone to Malaysia with SV3. It was amazing experience for me and my family. Yes, SV3 rocks.
SV3 understands no boundaries, no horizons, no limits. All we know is when you travel with us, you will have an experience like never before. We are establishing new offices all over the country, such as Kolhapur and Mumbai, so that we may serve you better. We have now reached the end of our journey. We hope you had a nice time traveling with us. Remember, there's no experience like the SV3 experience.